I didn't do any stickman. Oh, you're right! I did Harry Stickman! Why did you do Harry Stickman? Harry Stickman's dead. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a recycling product. A school recycling product.
Yeah.
And we need a milk container, paint, a paintbrush and a stick that I found around, marker and pencil, and scissors, and some old AirPods to hold it on trees, and paper so the table doesn't get messy.
Okay, let's get to it.
Okay, so the first step we need is to mark out where the hole is gonna be for the birds to eat.
Okay.
So I'm gonna mark little circles. One done. Now you see the circles. Two done. Okay, now I got two done.
Okay.
Now we need to cut them. For this, I need my mom to help.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay, we already have the holes. Let's start to paint. For opening the paint, I need my mom to help opening the paint because I don't know how to open paint. Can you help me, Mother?
Sure.
Oh wait, I already got one. I can do this, Mother. I'm gonna open black and white. Can you help with the rest, Mother? Okay, so we have different types of blue, and we're gonna make a light blue with white blue. And this one also has it, and they're together. This one too, but my mom forgot to open them. I'll quickly open them for her. Can you help me, Mother? Okay, so now let's go to paint. Dip, dip. Let's first put the white. Why does it not see? Okay, I'm still painting, but you can still see through it, so I need a few hands.
Okay, let me see that side. Or maybe we gotta change the paint.
Use a different color.
Now let's remove the color.
You gotta wait until it dry and use a darker color.
No, because now I'm gonna put white.
No.
No, because to make it light blue.
What happened?
I was off the paper. You know why it's important to recycle?
Why?
Because there's trash all over the earth. It's going to the water. It's killing all the fishes and the animals. So it's important to recycle. Look how blue this is already. Look, almost all of the sides are complete.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first coat is done. So now we're going to go to a darker blue so the letters get covered. Look, see?
It's dry?
Touch it.
Yeah, it's dry.
Okay, now I can touch it.
What color are you using? Dark blue?
Yeah. Yeah, so the letters can cover.
Okay.
So it should take a while. Do you know why we cannot throw recycle on the earth? Because we only have one planet that we can only live. There's no more planet we can live in.
That's true.
Okay, this is getting way too dry. You got big scoop. Yo! Look how dark that is!
I know.
That is so cool. This will cover the letters in no time.
So this is the second coat.
It's not gonna be a coat because we're only gonna mix it with the light blue.
Yeah, I know, but we gotta paint and paint and paint until the letters are gone, okay?
Okay. Okay. So I'm almost finished with the next coat. So then we have to do a third coat. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna keep painting and painting until I'm finished. Because you know why there's gonna be more coats?
Why?
Can you still see the letters?
Yeah, I can still see them.
So that's why there's gonna be more coats.
Okay.
But they almost blend in.
So ready to put it to dry?
Not yet. Look how much I have to paint. Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, 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 dun. Why you did a
Oh, what?
you did a muñeco there, like a Harry Stickman in there?
It's Harry Stickman. Oh, you're right! I did Harry Stickman! Why did you do Harry Stickman? Harry Stickman's dead.
Jeez.
He's dead. Okay, so it's ready to get it to dry.
Yeah. And then another coat.
No, look at the floor.
What you did to the floor?
It fell.
Jeez.
There we go. Okay, second coat done. Time for third coat. So I'm gonna do the same coat,
Okay.
but mixed with black.
Why?
So it makes it even darker so the letters get covered.
Okay.
Okay. So, look how dark it is.
Mm-hmm.
That looks so cool. And now you can see the letters. Right?
Yeah.
Can you see the letters?
Not anymore in there. You gotta cover the whole area.
I want to the bottom.
You scratched this. How you scratched it?
Covered.
Okay.
Do you like the recycling project?
Project.
Do you like it?
Yep. But you never said what you were making.
Oh, I'm making a bird feeder.
Mm-hmm.
Did you notice? That's why we're painting this, to make it lovely. So it doesn't say a milk bottle.
Mm-hmm.
So everyone thinks it's for sale.
Okay.
In a house. Okay, my dog is here to protect me. Yeah!
To lick you.
No, she just wants to kiss me. Oh, where is it going? Well,
You ready for the next side?
Yes.
That way.
Turn the word. So first we get one color, okay? One color. Put it down, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Then grab.
Qué lindo.
So now we remove the color
Mm-hmm.
to grab another color and put it over.
Okay.
What do you think Vicky's doing? Oh, Vicky! Okay, third coat done. So I gotta sleep.
Mm-hmm.
So it's really dark. So we will do the rest on tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
So stay tuned. Welcome back. So you see it's already dry, but every time I touch it, you see that it comes off.
Mm-hmm.
So I decided to change the bottle.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the bottle we're using.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna mark where is gonna be the circle.
That's too small.
Oh.
It's okay. Do it bigger in there. Perfect. The other way.
What? There we go. So I'm not gonna cut it. My dad is gonna cut it with a hot knife. So let's go tell Dad.
Okay.
Okay, so Bob already cut out the holes. I know it's not perfect, but they're there. So now we're gonna paint it with spray paint. But we have to do it outside. Because then the house will get dirty.
Yep. Let's go.
There's another spray paint around here. Okay, since that this spray paint is toxic, my mom gave me a mask. Not as place that right there. Start getting paint. You might want to cover your nose, okay? You know
Okay.
why? Because it's too toxic.
You're gonna use the blue one, right?
Yeah. Can you help me?
And you gotta shake it, okay? Back it up, back. Échale para atrás.
Eh?
From farther away. Not that far.
That looks so cool, right? In the cap.
Keep going, keep going.
Do I pick the cap?
Yeah, no, don't put it so close to your clothes. The cap. Go around. Is it good? Is it all covered? No, you're missing here. And it looks good. Now we gotta let it dry, right?
Just like in the previous episode. So the bottle dries outside. I'm gonna use these old earphones as the hanger of the bird feeder. So I'm gonna cut here, here, and here. Oh! But there's actually like wires inside. That would get electrified if you touch it. Okay, since they don't work, it's not electrifying us.
Yeah, they don't work anymore, so we're gonna reuse them.
So we're gonna reuse them as the bird feeder.
Okay.
And now I got some AirPods. Blue AirPods. Blue AirPods, everybody. Okay, the bottles are already dry. So now I'm gonna add some final touches. Some clouds and some grass. Well, I need white.
Mira, aquí tienes esto.
I have two of them. I'd rather use this one.
So what are you making there?
I'm doing the clouds. That's why I have a white paint.
Okay.
Oh, how about we add a sun too?
You wanna add a sun?
Yeah.
It's your bottle. You can do it.
I'm finished.
Let me see.
Look at the
But
clouds.
you gotta do the around.
What?
You gotta do more clouds. Yeah.
All the way around?
Like up and down.
I'm gonna do one in the cap.
Awesome. You need more clouds over here.
Whoa. There's one big cloud. So how was your day?
It was good. How about yours?
the same. How was your school day?
I don't go to school anymore.
Oh, you just graduated?
Yep.
Look at this chunky cloud.
It's
Wait,
nice.
Wait, how will we put them together to make one big cloud? No, whoa, too bad. One big cloud.
One big cloud.
Mm-hmm.
Blow it so it dries and you can put more white on top of it.
I'm done with the clouds. Time for the quiz.
Nice.
I'm learning.
Yeah, I know. You can even do some flowers in there.
I know.
Almost done?
Yeah.
Ahora.
Don't panic, Mom. My dog's barking. Look at those long grass.
Mm-hmm. It looks nice.
Time for the flowers. I'm just gonna add one single flower.
Okay.
So first, one straight line up. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Clean the brush.
Clean the brush. Clean the brush.
What color are you gonna make it?
I'm gonna make it a rose.
A red?
Uh-huh. But first, yellow for the middle. Okay? What do you think?
You need to dry it.
No.
Yeah?
Yeah. But what do you think yellow and green makes?
What it makes? Lime color. It looks like neon.
Yeah, neon green.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now the red. One single one dot, one dot, one dot. And look how perfect now when I do dots. One dot, one dot,
Mm-hmm.
one dot, one dot, one dot. What do you think? So I'm gonna mix red and yellow to make orange for the sun. So I got some yellow on red. Now I put it in here. It looks like too much.
You need more yellow.
First I put the red.
Mm-hmm. Dry it. It's enough.
Okay.
Get the yellow. Perfect.
Okay.
Do the sun now.
But first I have to do the spikes. Where do we do the sun?
Where do you want to do it?
Right here.
Right there? Do it.
Still got those a little space. First the spikes. For us the sun is a giant, so I made it like that big.
Okay. Now you gotta paint the inside.
No,
Let me
wait,
hold it.
first.
Let me hold it. Let me hold it.
Let's just color the spikes. Inside the spikes. And here we go. Inside the spikes are done.
Inside the sun.
No, inside the spikes first.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So now we clean it.
Of the inside of the sun.
Yeah. And look how pretty.
It's beautiful.
Now I wait till dry.
We wait to dry. Let's show it.
Now let's tie it. Okay, my mom already poked the holes and put in the string, but it's really hard. So now I'm going to secure it with hot glue.
Okay.
And since I'm a child, I don't know how to use hot glue.
Is it coming out?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. All the way around, okay? job.
That's the first time I did with hot glue.
And you're doing really good. Okay, you're done. Put it back where it goes. Now
Tie it up.
screw,
Screw, screw, screw,
screw, screw, screw.
screw.
Yeah.
But now, how do we tie this?
Is it really tight?
Yes.
Let Papa help you to tie it really good.
I burn myself.
Well, then how do I use this hot glue without burning myself?
You're smarter than Papa.
And Papa is making the knot.
Not.
Not.
Knot.
Not.
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 This is how it
Knot.
looks.
Whoa, this dries so fast.
Uh-huh.
This has hot glue, it dries so fast.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my! I still have to deal with hot glue.
Uh-huh. You still have to stick the sticks.
Okay, one right here and one right here.
Yeah.
First, let's remove this dangle dip. Let's remove this dangle dip.
So now he's gonna stick the sticks. Be careful, that's hot.
I know.
That's the longest one?
Yeah.
Yeah, está bien, that's enough. Okay.
Let's go like glue.
Now stick it.
No.
There.
Now I have to hold it. Right?
Yeah, that's good. No, yeah, no.
Oh!
It's stick already. Okay, for the next one, put the glue directly in the bottle, and then you stick the palito
Now
there.
I have to put the bottle there?
Huh?
Now I have to put the glue in the bottle?
Yes. A little bit, okay? Yeah.
Move it down.
And put the stick in there. Blow it. It's looking good.
Okay, bird feeder 3000 is done.
Amazing.
So now you just have to put a little bit of food, but we will do that tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.